Welcome to freefocusdance.com. My name is Chris Reed, and I'm showing you different acrobatic movements. Today, we're going over the Kip Up. Now, in order to do a Kip Up, you need at least these three movements. The bridge, the candlestick, and you gotta be able to stand up from a bridge too. What's a candlestick? A candlestick is when I'm laying on my back and I bring my feet all the way up, my hips off the floor, and I balance on my shoulders. This is a candlestick. Now, if you can do this and have your hands in a bridge position, well, you're halfway there to your Kip Up. The other thing that you need to be able to have is a bridge position. You need to be able to have this bridge position so you can have the power and the flexibility and the mobility to get up. Can I get up from my bridge? Very important question. Let's find out. Whoop, just like that. That's the end of the Kip Up. What is a Kip Up? Just in case you don't know. 1, 2. That's a Kip Up. Now, once you've established that you have those movements, it's time to play with them so we can put them all together and make the s'more that is known as a Kip Up. From my candlestick, I need to first see if I can do a candlestick or a kip into a bridge. So I need to go 1, 2. Even if it's not a full bridge, that's okay. But that's the first thing that you have to do to see if you have the hip power to get yourself off the floor. A kip to a bridge. Practice this, and that's going to get you on your way. 1, 2. Notice that my hips are going off the floor. Even if you practice that move, that'll be good for you. Here, my chin is always in my chest to make sure I don't hit my head on the floor and I don't accidentally knock the wind out of myself. That's the move we're looking for. My hips are leaving the floor. Now I use it into my power. Kip into a bridge. Once I have a good, solid understanding of that bridge, it's time to do my sit-ups. So I need to start with my legs like this and get all the way up. If you can't get up and touch your toes and completely laying down, you shouldn't try a Kip Up yet, because you need all of those muscles working in accordance in order to get it. 1, 2, just like that. So we have kip to a bridge and we have a sit-up. The only other thing that you need to practice is standing up from a bridge. Standing up from a bridge. So I'm in my bridge, I stabilize, lean my hips to the back, and then I stand up. When I say lean my hips to the back, I mean push my hips so that I have this little thing going on here. That means I have a lot of weight in my feet, and I can use those ab muscles, the same ab muscles that I use for my sit-up, in order to stand all the way up. Now we have to put all of that together and make it so that we actually do our Kip Up. Now, if you can do that on a soft surface, not this, to your knees, that means that you are 75 to 85% there. But I'm not doing that on my knees right now, because that's too hard. As far as material, not difficult. So, I have my candlestick, I have my bridge. I can stand up from my bridge, I can do my sit-up. It's time to put all this stuff together. So, I need to roll onto my shoulders, get into my candlestick position. I'm loaded up here. Both of my weight is on my hands. I'm gonna throw my legs forward as if I was doing my Kip Up bridge. But this time, I'm trying to almost land in such a strong bridge position that I don't need my hands. Then I stand up. That's the slow motion version of what happens in the Kip Up. 1, 2, 3, right? I put enough weight in my feet so that I can just get up, kind of like a Frankenstein position. So one more time. I roll into my shoulders. I'm in my Kip Up / candlestick with my hands in bridge position. I'm gonna pump my legs forward, land flat on my feet, and stand up like Breakdance. Like that. I'm Chris Reed, and that was the Kip Up.